Hi scale guys, today we have Transcell again. The model is TI-500RF, and that regular models TI-500 you can see switch somewhere here, which you unscrew two bolts and move the switch in the cal position, and you in the calibration mode. But here you don't have any switches, and I open already indicator. It doesn't have switch inside. So to go to the calibration mode on this indicator RF series, you need to press on button and print button as well, which is the same button, and hold it for a long time, about 15-20 seconds. So I turn it on and I'm still holding, and now I'm holding until they like do all the stuff. And now when I'm at F mode, I can switch it to the A or C. So we need F, so I press 0 off button, and now we're in the F menu, which we need to calibrate. So we go to F16 by pressing print button, then I press 0 button. Now I need to calibrate 0. I press 0 again. 0. Now I press set to save it. Then I go to F17 by pressing print button again and go to the this the calibration. We need to put the weight here. Now we need to press 0 button as well. And now it's asking us about first point of calibration, which is 2500, and I'm okay with this number, but I can change it by pressing tera button or units 0 button to go up or to go down, but I'm okay with this number. So I need just to apply this weight, and I need to put it under the press here. Has handle, and I need to apply the weight. Here you are. Looks like in the middle. Just a second. Now when I apply weight, I need to go to 2500. Oh, it's too much. Too much again. Okay. So when I saw 25 there, I will just press net gross button. Here you are. Now it's calibrating. First point of calibration. Now the second point, 5000. We need to put 5000. And I should do the same. Press set button. Now it's calibrating second point of calibration. Now it's done. Third point, 0 again. So I don't know. Somebody do it in this way, but I don't really care. So 0, I don't have anything there. So I press net gross button all the way. It doesn't change anything. And when I see F17, I press units button. We go back to that F mode, which we can switch it between different parameters which we need to change, but we don't need to change it here. So we press units button again, and now calibration which we just make, it saves. And now we just turn it on and check it again, just to double check. So that's all guys, calibration done. Thanks for watching.